Africa faces two growing challenges: deforestation and waste management. Did you know that every year, millions of tons of agricultural waste are burned or dumped? But what if we told you that this waste could be turned into eco-friendly charcoal, a solution that protects the environment while creating jobs? What is ecological charcoal? Eco-charcoal is made from biomass, like sawdust, rice husks, and coconut shells, instead of cutting down trees. Key benefits: reduces deforestation, provides a clean-burning, sustainable alternative to traditional charcoal. Market opportunity: high demand. Over 70% of households in many African countries use charcoal for cooking. Urban growth: rapid urbanization increases demand for clean and efficient fuels. Export market: growing interest in sustainable fuels in Europe, the Middle East, and North America. Business model: raw material. Sourcing: partner with farmers, sawmills, and agro-industrial facilities to collect biomass waste. Production: use machines to turn waste into charcoal briquettes. Sales channels: sell locally to households, restaurants, and exporters. Site selection: close to raw materials. Reduce transportation costs by being near rice farms, coconut plantations, or sawmills. Access to market: choose a location close to urban centers where demand is high. 1. Biomass crusher or grinder. Purpose: reduces raw materials like coconut shells or wood chips into smaller, uniform pieces. Cost: $1,000 to $5,000. Capacity: small machines can process 500 kilograms per hour. Larger ones handle up to 2 tons per hour. 2. Dryer machine. Purpose: removes moisture from biomass to ensure high-quality briquettes. Types: rotary dryers, semi-automatic, or air drying systems, low cost but slower. Capacity: processes 1 to 5 tons per day. 3. Charcoal carbonization furnace. Purpose: converts dried biomass into charcoal through controlled heating. Types: batch carbonization. Furnace: for small-scale production. Processes 300 to 500 kilograms per batch. Continuous carbonization furnace. For large-scale production. Processes 1 to 5 tons per day. Energy efficiency: many furnaces recycle the heat they produce, reducing fuel costs. 4. Briquette press machine. Purpose: compresses charcoal powder into uniform briquettes. Types: manual press machines. Low cost, ideal for beginners. Hydraulic or roller press machines. High efficiency for medium to large-scale production. Output: can produce 1,000 to 3,000 briquettes per hour. 5. Packaging machine. Purpose: packages the briquettes in branded bags. Options: semi-automatic sealers for 5 to 10 kilogram bags. Fully automated systems for higher production volumes. Step-by-step process: 1. Raw material collection: collect biomass waste like coconut husks, sawdust, or agricultural residue. 2. Grinding: feed raw materials into the crusher to reduce them to smaller uniform sizes. 3. Drying: transfer the crushed material to the dryer. Ensure moisture content is below 15%. 4. Carbonization: load dried biomass into the furnace. Heat at 400 to 600 degrees Celsius in a controlled, oxygen-free environment to convert biomass into charcoal. 5. Briquetting: mix the charcoal powder with a binder, e.g., cassava starch, to improve cohesion. Press the mixture into briquettes using a briquette press. 6. Packaging: seal briquettes in moisture-proof bags to maintain quality and extend shelf life. Target audience: local market. Focus on urban households, restaurants, and small industries. Export market: partner with eco-conscious companies in Europe, the USA, or the Middle East. 2. Branding: highlight environmental benefits in your branding. Clean energy, cleaner tomorrow. Eco-coal: the sustainable charcoal alternative. 3. Sales channels: direct sales. Sell at local markets, fuel depots, and online platforms. Partnerships: collaborate with NGOs promoting clean energy or large supermarkets. 4. Promotions: launch a social media campaign showcasing your eco-friendly impact. Host community events to demonstrate the benefits of eco-charcoal. 5. Export strategy. Comply with international certifications like FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, or ISO 14000 for sustainability. Use trade fairs to connect with global buyers. Investment costs, small-scale setup, $5,000 to $15,000. Medium-scale setup, $20,000 to $50,000. Operating costs, raw materials, $500 to $1,000 per month. Labor, $300 to $1,000 per month. Energy and utilities, $200 to $500 per month. Revenue potential. Small scale, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Medium scale, $10,000 to $20,000 per month. 1. Access to raw materials. Solution. Partner with farmers and sawmills for consistent supply. Second competition solution. Differentiate with eco-friendly branding and superior product quality. 3. Lack of awareness. Solution. Educate consumers on the benefits of eco-charcoal through workshops and online content. Economic potential. Global charcoal market value. Estimated at $5 billion annually, with eco-charcoal demand growing at 7 to 10% per year. Local market in Africa. Urban households and restaurants spend up to $10 to $30 per month on charcoal. Eco-charcoal offers a cleaner and longer-burning product, making it attractive to these buyers. Environmental benefits. Comparison. Traditional versus eco-charcoal. Traditional contributes to deforestation and CO2 emissions. Eco uses waste products, saving millions of trees annually. Highlight countries like Kenya, Ghana, and Nigeria, where eco-charcoal programs have had significant success. Developing a business plan. Define your vision. Start small with local distribution or aim for regional and export markets. Goals. Monthly production target, e.g., 5 tons of eco-charcoal. Revenue goal, e.g., $2,500 to $5,000 per month. Key questions. Where will you source raw materials? Who will be your primary customers? Sourcing raw materials. Common biomass waste, coconut shells, abundant in coastal regions. Sawdust, partner with sawmills. Corn cobs and rice husks, ideal for agricultural zones. Tips for cost-effective sourcing. Collaborate with local farmers by offering to collect their waste for free. Use contracts to secure steady biomass supply. Machine-specific features. 1. Biomass crusher or grinder. Additional features. Look for adjustable blade settings for different material types. Maintenance tips. Clean blades regularly to prevent wear and tear. 2. Rotary dryer. Advanced options. Solar-powered dryers for regions with abundant sunlight to save on electricity. Pro tips. Check moisture levels using a handheld moisture meter before moving to the next stage. 3. Charcoal carbonization furnace. Best practices. Use a temperature-controlled furnace to ensure efficient carbonization. Recycle heat from the furnace to power other machines or drying processes. 4th. Briquette press machine. Additional options. Add molds for different shapes, e.g., round, pillow-shaped, or hexagonal. Automated systems for consistent briquette sizes. 5. Packaging machine upgrades. Print branded logos directly onto packaging bags. Eco-friendly packaging options. Use biodegradable materials to align with your green mission. Startup equipment costs. Table of costs for basic, semi-automated, and fully automated setups. Example, semi-automatic setup equals $15,000 to $20,000. Optimizing efficiency batch production. Group raw materials based on size and type for uniform processing. Schedule drying and carbonization to overlap, reducing downtime. Energy efficiency. Tips. Install solar panels to power machinery. Use heat recovery systems to reduce energy consumption in the furnace. Quality control. Regularly inspect briquettes for durability and burn time. Maintain consistent moisture levels to prevent cracking during pressing. Hiring staff roles to fill. Machine operators, skilled workers to handle grinders and furnaces. Quality inspectors. Ensure every batch meets standards. Sales personnel, to secure partnerships with local retailers and exporters. Training programs. Partner with NGOs or vocational centers to train staff on eco-charcoal production. Local market strategies. Sell directly to urban consumers. Create distribution points in high-density neighborhoods. Partner with local fuel depots or shops. Restaurants and hotels. Offer bulk pricing for consistent orders. Export market strategies. Export logistics. Identify eco-charcoal importers in Europe or the Middle East. Secure certifications like FSC for international trade. Trade shows. Attend exhibitions like Africa Energy Indaba to showcase your product. Social media and online presence. Create videos demonstrating eco-charcoal's benefits. Run targeted ads on Facebook or Instagram. Set up an e-commerce website with direct shipping options. Collaborations. Work with environmental NGOs to co-brand eco-charcoal as a sustainable solution. Approach governments for partnerships to promote clean energy initiatives. Profit margins, cost per kilogram, $0.5 to $1. Production. Selling price per kilogram, $2 to $3 locally, $4 to $6 for export. Profit potential, $1,500 to $3,000 per month, small scale. $10,000 plus per month, export-focused. Tips for managing costs. Bulk purchase raw materials during peak seasons to save costs. Regular machine maintenance to prevent expensive breakdowns. Segment 7. Overcoming challenges. 115 minutes, 1 second to 120 minutes. Challenge 1. Raw material supply solution. Build long-term agreements with multiple suppliers to avoid shortages. Challenge 2. Consumer awareness. Solution. Run demonstrations in urban areas to show the advantages of eco-charcoal. Challenge 3. Competition solution. Focus on premium branding and packaging to stand out. Eco-charcoal isn't just a business, it's a movement. You're not only earning profits, but contributing to a cleaner, greener Africa. With the right machines, raw materials, and marketing strategies, this business can transform lives and the environment. If you're ready to start your Joe,